it's Carrie, Fullerton Professional Organizing, and I am talking to you about YouTuber Malama Life, Malama Life, and she talks about minimalism money habits. And Arrow Hill Cottage, YouTuber, also talks about minimalist money habits. And the other one included in this podcast is Shireen Fitzgarald. Now, she does have a YouTube channel, but she has since she has deleted a lot of her YouTubes, and she has done a few collabs that you can find on YouTube, but you have to search through a lot of the money habit YouTubes, and you can find her there. But those are the three that I'm giving you some ideas from minimalist money habits. The first one from Malama Life is, what do you need and what are your priorities? These are just habits that you can ask yourself or keep in mind. And sell what you do not need. Make a meal plan. Enjoy simplicity. Repair items instead of buying new. Research items that you want to purchase before you purchase. Is it worth the cost? Shop secondhand stores for items that you need and want first. And try to remove temptations. Somehow, those email temptations and those Facebook temptations to buy, you can block them or cancel them or eliminate them. You can at least slow that stuff down. Now, from Arrow Hill Cottage, she says to save money, these are minimalist money habits to save money, is to just start. Even if you don't know what you're doing yet, just at least start. Sell things and buy less. Make do with what you have or do without. She said they bought a lawnmower for $10, fixed what was broken on it, and it's still running and still working 15 years later, although they have had to replace the blade on it recently. But it's still, they're going to use it. They believe in using something until it can't be used anymore. And that's basically has been my philosophy. Now, I'm not as prone to, I still save money. I just don't do it like I used to. Budget your money so you know where it is, how much you have, and where it is all going. And then this person here talks about, from her life experience, Shireen details the lessons she's learned on how to reset money habits to buy freedom rather than stuff. If you are thinking of making a purchase, put it on a list and give yourself a whole month to think about it, to see if you still want it as much at the end of the month. And that's what Malama Life also includes, researching the item and then waiting to see if you still want it. But the thing is that when you put a little bit away towards your future, no matter what, you get a little bit more choice every year, year after year. It gives you more freedom to make choices. You can't be perfect, and don't beat yourself up to think that you have to be perfect all the time. Gathering as much financial advice as possible and then putting it into balance will determine what's really going to work for your individual situation. You got to try different ways of saving money, and then stick with what works. Realize there's always going to be something amazingly beautiful that you want to have. Even if you buy what you want now, next month there will always be something else if you keep a spender mentality. The longer you can delay gratification, the more that you're going to enjoy that thing. And for me, I was talking to some friends I spent the weekend with. We only buy what we absolutely feel like we can't live without. If it is the most beautiful thing, or it makes us feel the most beautiful, and we think we'll wear it until it can't be worn anymore, or we can decorate with it until it can't be decorated with anymore, till it's broken or torn. Those are the things that we buy. Clothes, if I buy something that I absolutely love, I will wear it for many, many, many years. And if I buy decor that I absolutely love, and then when I get bored with it, I spray paint it. I spray paint it white. You could revive it by spray painting it any color you'd like, and then you can use it for many more years before you decide to get rid of it and purchase something new. She talks about breakups, but she talks about breakups when you're living together, and when you're, I guess, divorced. In her case, I don't think it was divorce, but breaking up with someone that you're living with. And I think that's another reason to not live with someone before marriage. But breakups can be one of the worst financial situations, and it can be because it's not the fact that you're splitting only equity, but you can also end up splitting debt. Calculate your net worth to know where you stand and focus on where you want to be. Make a list of your habits that you do not match a saving lifestyle and start changing those. Make a list of your habits that you do not match a saving lifestyle and start changing those. It doesn't match a saving lifestyle. You have to have a saving lifestyle. Participate in available employer matching retirement savings to double your savings and take advantage of tax breaks. Concentrate on saving a certain amount of money in a specific time frame and plan how to do so. Then that will motivate you to save more. To determine what spending to cut, go through what are all the expenses that you're paying from the highest cost down to the lowest. Using a spreadsheet is helpful. So knowing your debt, knowing your finances, knowing what you have, what you don't have, what will happen if you, in every situation, like a breakup, what will happen to your money then? All right, guys, it's a short one this time. So I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and thanks for listening.